The controversial aircraft that landed at the Davao International Airport last August 15 just dropped off 2 passengers from Singapore. The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines made this clarification following rumors that President Duterte went to Singapore on board the medical jet. In a public address, President Duterte also clarified the issue.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.